Unlock a more organized and user-friendly Squarespace website by mastering the art of linking to entire folders in your navigation. First things first, log into your Squarespace account and navigate to your site's dashboard. From there, locate and click on the Pages option in the left-hand menu. This will bring up your site's page structure. Now, if you don't already have a folder for the content you want to link, you'll want to create one. Hover over the section where you want to add your new folder and click the plus icon. From the drop-down, select Folder. Once your folder is created or you've selected an existing one, you'll see its contents listed beneath it. This is where we'll get the link we need. Hover over the folder name itself, not any of the pages inside it, and click the gear icon that appears to access its settings. In the folder's settings panel, look for the link option. This is crucial. Squarespace automatically generates a URL slug for your folder, which is what we'll use. You can change this if you wish, but for simplicity, we'll use the auto-generated one for now. The easiest way to grab the correct link is to locate the generated URL slug. You'll often see a copy icon right next to it. Click that icon to copy the folder's unique URL to your clipboard. Now, where do you want to place this link? You can add it to another page, a blog post, or even a button. For this example, let's say we're adding it to a button on our home page. On the page you're editing, find the element you want to turn into a link like this button. Click on the button settings and select the option to link it. Choose External URL or Web Address as the link type. Paste the URL you copied from your folder's settings into the URL field. Click Save or Done to apply the changes. Now, when a visitor clicks on this button, they won't just go to a single page. They'll be taken directly to the content of that entire folder, making your website navigation much more streamlined and intuitive. This simple technique dramatically improves user browsing, allowing visitors to easily access related content. Organizing your site with folders and linking to them directly is a smart way to structure your Squarespace website for success.